Good morning, dog. Yep, it's been a while since you've seen the dog in the vlogs, but she's gonna say hello today. Hey guys, so I guess it was really nice seeing the dog this morning, but I just wanted to say hey, because it's been like 3 weeks or something like that. And you know what we need to talk about? VidCon. VidCon's coming up, and I'm super excited. For those of you who don't know, VidCon is an annual video conference, or ginormous, the biggest of the big YouTube gathering. And I think this year I'm particularly excited because I've been going to VidCon for quite a while now. This will be my 5th year. So as soon as I get there, I'll be like, oh my gosh, I've been going to VidCon for half a decade. I mean, that doesn't seem like a lot, but you know, 5 VidCons, yay. I think I was there when they first started holding it at the Anaheim Convention Center, and it's just kind of been this thing that I go to every year since. Super excited for the Disabilities on YouTube panel, especially because it's just about time that, you know, creators with disabilities finally get to meet up and hang out. So I'm super excited to meet all these people. I know that it's on the community track, I think. Pretty sure, right? I don't even know. Also, I don't think I'll be the only guide. No, I won't be the only guide dog handler there this year. Because for the past like 4 years, I've seen maybe 1 or 2 other dog handlers at the most. So I'm super, super excited to see Molly Burke this year. For those who are wondering, I'll be staying at the Red Lion Hotel, which is about half a mile away from the convention center. I don't know if I'm going to Disney Day yet, but we will figure that out. I know that I want to be there Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, but maybe Sunday I'll either go to Disney or probably a beach day, because I know that for me, the highlight of the trip, other than VidCon, is taking my dog to the beach. Just keep in mind that I'm notoriously bad. Like, I'm just notoriously bad for uploading footage from VidCons, because it's just so much editing. But I will try my best this year. But yeah, I just wanted to give you an update and tell you that I'm coming to VidCon. So I'll be in the area from June 16th through June 28th, and that's quite a bit of time. I believe we're going to go to Vegas at some point, probably the weekend after June 18th, so like June 17th, we're leaving for Vegas. So if you're in Los Angeles, Anaheim, or Vegas, I want to say hello and hang out with you. I'm not really that exciting today. I just wanted to say hey and see how y'all are doing. I suddenly became Southern. Anyway, I'm going to go edit this video, add some music, and yeah, get some stuff done because it's supposed to rain today. I will see you guys later.